everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying this video so far. I wanted to come on and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I am a member of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Now, we've been coming to you every week in October. This has been our Vlogtober Luxe Squad collaboration, and the idea was to hopefully inspire you and give you some ways or ideas on how you might be able to decorate your home for fall. Now, the members of the club are Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Allie, she's our main host, Creations by Simone, The Rogers House, DIY Design by CCW. Now that's actually my other channel. This is Tablescapes by Candy. Also Amethyst Adventures, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and MMIRIM Creative Corner. Now I've left links to everyone's channels down in my description box, as well as the playlist, and I hope that you will go and visit everyone today. Now we will be back in December with another collaboration for you, so I hope that you'll come back and join us then. Also, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll subscribe today, and also visit my other channel, DIY Design by CCW. That's where many of the items you'll see or you see in this tablescape were created, and the Glam Decor channel. All right, thank you so much for watching, and like I say at the end of every video, can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.